Hey y'all, so I just got some Etsy Happy Mail in today and I wanted to share it with you. The sticker kits I got is from a little Etsy shop called Sassy Apple Studio, and I'm going to put a link to her Etsy shop in the description box down below, so be sure that you go and check that out. Here is the little freebies that was sent. Look at this, how stinking cute. It says, "Give me the tea." That's so cute. And then Happy New Year's, this cute little paper clip. And look how adorable the little girls are. I just can't stand it. Okay, so the first kit that we have here is, surprise, surprise, it's called A Day at the Beach. And you know, I'm all into this whole life in Florida, a new life in Florida, coastal planner. I'm going a little bit crazy, but this is the date covers. So they kind of look like sand. And this is the Day at the Beach extras. You got this little paper clip, some little icons here. Again, that looks like the sand. This is the full boxes. Look how pretty these are. The color is gorgeous, and these are gonna look amazing in my coastal planner for 2019. And this is the half boxes and appointment boxes to write in. Look at these little, with the little boxes with the 3 starfish. So stinking pretty. And these are the full box checklists, and it just is literally a day at the beach. Look at that. You're just at the sand, the ocean, the sky. So pretty. And these are your headers and littles. So you got your little icons here, your TV, a little birthday, money, and then your to-dos, today's, odds and ends, work, meals, workout. Those are all so cute. And then these are your functional. You've got some Build You stickers, your weekend banner, some little icons, trash, recycle, laundry, the little cleaning, vacuum, and grocery shopping, a little scale, TV, planner, your nails. This is now showing. That's cute. So you can put like some of your shows that you're watching. Like I could do The Walking Dead or Riverdale that week. And this right here is really cute. It's 7. So you have your habit tracker for your water. There's your little shoes, so you can track your steps for the week. And then, or actually for the day, because these are like, it looks like a little plate and some utensils, so you can every day track your water, your steps, and then log your menus for the week. Very cute. And then this is your day covers, and then these little squares is where those dates would go in. And then your weekly box and your little washi strips. So that is so cute, and that is called A Day at the Beach. And then the next one I have is called Under the Stars. And then this is the extras. Look at this cute little, your sand dollar, starfish, your little shells. So pretty. And this is the full boxes right here. And then some little habit trackers. The colors are just so vivid, so vibrant. I love them. It says, "We dream in colors borrowed from the sea." That's so pretty. And then your next one is your half boxes and appointment boxes. Still so pretty. And then your full box checklist. And then I love this right here. It's like your work boxes. So you can put like the hour that you start and the hour that you end working, which I work kind of the same hours every day, but it'll still be really cute to use those. And these are your headers and littles. Look at these colors that kind of like, I'm not sure if you call that a teal blue, like such a blue. I'm not even sure what to call that color, but then you've got your pink and your purple. I think we'll go with teal on this. And then there again are your 7, your meal planning, your steps, track your steps and your water. And then your little icons, a weekend banner, some build you stickers. And then this is your date and your day covers and some washi. Look how pretty those are. I love them. And so this one is called Under the Stars. And then the last one, which is probably my favorite, and I don't think I'm going to be able to wait a year to put these in my vertical planner. I'm using a horizontal this year, and I think I'm gonna have to break down and use these because they're too stinking cute. And they are called Ralphie. So if you're familiar with A Christmas Story, this is Ralphie in his little pink bunny pajamas. And there's his essay that he turned into the teacher, and she said, "You'll put your eye out." I think everyone told him he would put his eye out. And these are the full boxes. Be sure to drink your Ovaltine. I triple dog dare you. I think that's where the boy got his little tongue stuck to the iced over pole. Ho, ho, ho. This was where Santa kicked him down the slide. And fragile, it must be Italian. If you have seen this movie, then you know this line because this lamp was the funniest thing in the whole movie to me. And there's some little habit trackers. And then here are your half boxes and appointment boxes. And then your full box checklist. Such pretty colors. And then here we have your headers and littles. I think there's like a little string or something on there. I literally just pulled these out of the package, so I haven't even had a chance to review them yet. And then here are your functionals, your bill dues, weekend banners, your little icons, and then here is your weekly menus and tracking your waters and steps. And then this is your date and day covers, your washi, and then a weekly checkbox. So pretty. I just love these. So I don't think that I'm going to be able to wait a year just to use these in a vertical planner because I have to use them right now. They're too cute. So that was the ones I got, was Ralphie, Under the Stars, and A Day at the Beach. So all very, very, very pretty kits. So be sure to check out Sassy Apple Studio, and again I will have that link listed below. So thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye.